years old and I live in the Philippines. I have been teaching English language for quite some time now. So we teach you. We teach children, middle-aged, and adults. I love teaching children. I teach them how to read, how to write, and how to learn. I also love traveling. So you travel with me. Book an appointment with Teacher Apple is the best decision because you will learn a lot from me. I will teach you what you learned, what you need to learn.